Hello and welcome you all in the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can learn or practice touch typing in either Dvorak, Qwerty or Colemak layout. So touch typing is nothing but when you are typing without looking at the keyboard, that is known as touch typing. So currently I'm using Ubuntu20.04 LTS, and if you're using any Linux distros or any Linux distribution like Fedora, or there are a couple of them, then you can install a very beautiful tool that is known as Gtypist, right? So if you don't have Gtypist, then you can install it using sudo apt install Gtypist, and if you are using Fedora you can use DNF, or if you are using other Linux distros then you can use your specific package manager to install Gtypist. The package name is Gtypist, right? I already have it, so I will not install it again. So once it is installed, you can run it by using Gtypist as a command, and here you can see the Gtypist terminal is now open, and there are all layouts available that are very popular, like Qwerty, Dvorak and Colemak. Out of these three, Qwerty is the most famous one, most of the people use it, and the Dvorak is said to be the fastest typing layout, if you see. And Colemak, I have never heard about it, but it is there, so you can install it if you want, so you can learn it if you want, right? Now and there are a couple of things other as well in Gtypist, like you have typing drills. Once you learn a particular layout of keyboard, then you can use these drills to further rectify your errors and to improve your efficiency. And then you have speed drills. Once you learn a particular layout, you can use these speed drills to increase your speed of typing. And you must have noticed that there is a calculator keypad on the right side of your keyboard. Not all keyboard has it, but if your keyboard has a calculator keypad on the right side of it, then you can learn that touch typing using this. So Gtypist pretty much has everything that you must be needing to learn touch typing, and I myself use this tool to learn touch typing, and when I did it before 2 years back, so I didn't found any difficulty in it. And I would strongly recommend that if you do not know touch typing and you want to learn, then Gtypist is the best tool for you, right? And I would like to show you how these things work. Like I'm going for the speed drills, and I'm going for the lesson S1, and here are some instructions about the lesson, and here you are going, and now I have to type this thing. Let's type it. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog's dot. Enter. And here you can see on the right side below, the raw speed is 76.44 words per minute and adjusted speed, and the errors are 0%. So it will show you how many percent wise your errors, you did errors, and according to your errors it will adjust your typing speed and will give you the results. So that's all you need to learn touch typing, right? And that's all for now. Okay, please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.